How to modify the language on a Mac computer. If you want to change the language of the software, you need to modify the system language on your computer. Step 1. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. Step 2. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on Language Region in the System Preferences window. Step 4. In the Preferred Languages section, click the plus button to add a new language. Select the desired language from the list that appears. Step 5. A pop-up window will appear asking if you want to use the new language as the primary language. Click Use Language to confirm. Step 6. Drag the newly added language to the top of the list to make it your primary language. Keep in mind that some applications may not support the new language, and they will continue to display in the default system language. Thanks for watching.